Hello everyone, today I wanted to show you guys this sponsored product from Delta. This is from this is Nicoli series, and it is single handle pull down bathroom faucet. This you can see here, you have this pull down. This is really cool. This kind of unique feature for bathroom faucets, so that will help to clean around or just get some water around. That's really cool feature. And you can see here the knob operates very smoothly, and you have this screw here. If you, in case you need to take this out, you can do so. So the cartridge inside was tested around 500,000 operation like this. So this is really high quality. And over here you have this nice matching color plate. So if you have 3-hole plate, you can use this, or you have this piece inside. If you don't want to use the long plate, you can use this part just to cover this. So depending on your settings, you can you have options to do that. So overall, really nice piece. You have everything you need. It comes with the hose, and it also comes with the matching pop-up drain. So you can see the operation is very smooth. It just feels really nice, and as you can see, it just the colors are matching. That is really cool. So, and the installation would be very easy. You would just take this out and just plug it in, and from the bottom of the sink you would just put this back and just screw it and tighten it. That is very easy installation. You also have this weight here to just attach it on the pull down hose, and you have this securing screws which will go underneath the faucet here to secure it on the countertop. So overall, really nice quality. I really like the way it looks. It is like corrosion resistant, it is chemical resistant, and it is like fingerprint resistant. You can see it doesn't leave any fingerprint, so looks really nice. So I hope you guys like it and enjoy it as much as I will. Thank you for watching.